Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to ask you that do you want to improve your English but you don't know how to do it? If you want to improve your English, so then this video is for you. Maybe I don't know what you want, but I am sure that you must want something which you want to learn this language. So don't worry, I am also like you. I want to also achieve something, therefore I am learning English. And let me tell you about my journey. I have been learning English for 1 year. Still I am learning. So maybe you know that why I came here. I came here in order to practice, as well as you can see that here I am making video through my cell phone. So here I will say that if you want to improve your English, so you should practice as I am doing right now. Because most of the people, they want to learn English, but they have one biggest problem, that they always think about their mistake. That's not good. It is my thought which I am telling you. Let me tell you that, guys, when I was started this journey, that time I used to think like you. I used to think that maybe I will make mistake, someone will watch my video, someone will hear my voice, what they will think about me. But now I don't think so. Here I will say you that you should also speak English like me. Believe me, you can be better person, you can be fluent speaker. But if you think that I will speak English when I will become more knowledgeable, after that I will speak, so remember, you will unable to learn English. So what I am telling you, what you have, whatever you know, you have to speak that, instead of be quiet. Don't wait perfect time, because the one who always wait perfect time, they never ever speak English. So you don't have to think about your mistake. You can see that here I am making mistake. I am not saying that I speak everything correct, but I don't care, because I know that English is not easiest things. But if we want, we will make it easy. Do you know, we have one very problem, that we don't want to practice, but we want be fluent speaker. That's not good. So please, you can be better person. There is nothing in this world that you can't. Maybe it will take time, but you can be fluent speaker. So here let me tell you about my place where I came. So here I came in order to, because I have some complaint, but I am let me think, because here what I want to say, that is a little bit difficult. Therefore I am thinking that what should I make that sentences, as you can see that. So here I came here in order to complain, but right now customer is not available. So I saw that in front of customer house there are very big park, and here very beautiful place. Here I am not hearing any noise from outside. So I thought, let me speak something. Even if I make a mistake, that is okay, but I will speak, I will learn. Because let me tell you guys, I don't have that much degree, I don't have that much money, so that I will do something different. But I have one very biggest hope, which I want to tell you, that if I learn this language, I will become content creator. After that I will earn money from social media. Because nowadays I see that lot of people, they earn money from YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. So I want to also earn money from there, but it will take time. See, if you want to achieve something, so never ever think negative. Never lose your hope. I want to say, it is okay that your dream is so far from us. That doesn't mean you will unable to reach there. Sooner or later you will reach there. Believe me, your hard working will pay you off sooner or later. But you don't have to stop. You have to keep practicing. Always practicing. Whenever you go, you should practice. You don't have to be shy. You don't have to think about your mistake. You don't have to think about that people. The one who always think about your let me think. I want to say that the one who always search your weakness. You don't have to care about that person. Please, you are more knowledgeable than you think. You have everything, but you don't know how to use what things you have. But don't worry, you will surely know that how to do that. But it is okay. It will take time, but you can be perfect. Believe me, I am here to motivate you. I am here to show you easy way, and you have to do that. So bye guys.